Hi, I just wanted to warn everybody about a bad HDMI cable I have. It's right here. I was using it to hook up my PlayStation, of course. It's right here on my new Samsung. I have a video about my new TV right here. And it's actually a brand by the name of ATAK. I don't know if anybody else has picked this up. It's red and black, silver, gold tips, but it has a very weak signal, and most of the time my TV doesn't pick up the signal. And I actually picked up another cable, and it's a Phillips cable. I actually have it hooked up right now, and I'm going to show you what should happen with your HDMI cable and what happens with this bad one. Okay? Now I'm just going to give a demonstration. I actually have it hooked up to AV cables right now, and I'm going to show you what should happen when you first set up your HDMI cable to your high-def TV. It's asking me, it's saying right now that an HDMI device was detected actually. Do you want to output video and audio using HDMI? And I just move over and tap yes, pick up my remote, change the TV input to HDMI, and here we are. And it's asking, do you want to automatically switch to the optimal settings? If the resolution is not supported, the screen will temporarily go blank. After 30 seconds, the system will go back to the original resolution. And you choose yes. And this is 1080p. Maximum resolution, 1080p. You accept the settings, press yes. And we're booting up here. HDMI, 1080p. This is the welcome screen. Sign in. Here we go. 1080p with my HDMI cable. Now I'm going to show you what happens with the bad HDMI cable right here. Okay, I hooked the bad HDMI cable up, and now we're going to see what happens when it detects the bad HDMI cable. Setting it back to AV right now so it can detect the HDMI cable. And here it is giving me the message that it found the device, the HDMI device. And sorry, that was my phone. And I'm just gonna slide over and press yes. And just like before, I'm gonna use my remote to switch the TV input to HDMI. And here's the problem. No signal. HDMI hooked up to the PlayStation, hooked up to the TV. So again, people, this is a bad HDMI cable. I just showed you that it works with my new Phillips HDMI cable, and I just showed you what happens with the bad ATAK HDMI cable. It does not work. So if you ever come across a red and black HDMI cable with silver wiring and gold tips, it's bad. It doesn't work. It has a bad signal. It gives very bad signal, and it's not going to work for you. And I hope I helped y'all today, and I have my video up about my new Samsung HD TV, and I hope y'all watched that and enjoyed it and commented on it, and I hope I helped y'all today. Thanks.